We've got a kitchen and a bed, that's all. We share a bathroom with the folks down the hall. There's a hole in the roof and rain's leaking through. Still, it's a beautiful morning with you. Don't have a TV or a radio. Kitchen sink's about to overflow. The faucet's broke and we are too. Still, it's a beautiful morning with you. It's a beautiful morning with you. It's a beautiful morning with you. Though there's so many reasons for feeling blue, still it's a beautiful morning with you. Our cupboard looks mighty bare. Can't even buy a